Hi, I'm Melissa from Leisure Days in Salisbury, and I have Kit with me today, and we wanted to take a minute to show you another trailer. This is a Wolf Pup 16BH. Kit, let's go take a look.